is really weird. I have no idea what's happening here. Eashan!
Hey, I got your call. What do you need help with?
Dude, this chem lab, I don't understand what's happening because, like, I have the data, but I'm not sure I'm supposed to graph here. I really don't understand what's going on.
Is this for the lab due tomorrow?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, let me see. I think I got it. Yeah, I think I can show you how to make a good graph for this assignment.
Graph of data unit linearizing. Oh wait, this be a straight line. Most don't get it, they don't get an A. I thought that would be when you're perfect, but there's another tier. Yeah, there's another tier. Our lab data sucks because it isn't clear. Trying to bounce back, gonna get it with the choice. Make a noise, making sure I'm using titles. Just got the units on the axes. You should know because all numbers got units. Yeah, all numbers got units. I'm just providing people with the guess. I'm a smart boy, don't really care at all. I've entitled the graph, don't forget. Pretty fussing about the derivative. The line already straight, you shouldn't really care at all. Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Yeah, dude, what's the slope now? It finna be greater now. Don't ask it, I did it with my own style. And I got others, so I'ma go on. Just admit it already. You tried to graph it, but I did it already. Got a couple data points, I graphed it already. Gotta ask my TA if he did it already. Yeah, I'm a fly boy, there is no problem. Running up the numbers like there is a problem. Yeah, I be left and I be right in graph. Kids these days, they don't know how to graph. But I got it all handled. They tried to fool me once, I got it handled. Yeah, I'm gonna spend my time getting the cake, and I'm gonna wish for A's on every candle. I'm like, please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Get it? McQueen helped through both times. My own graph, that's a guarantee, hold down. What for? Ask me a question, just hold it down. Why the graph be an inverse? I don't understand. What I do, I just inverted the x. And I'm finna start to calculate stuff. Teach Alan Coley, please don't call me. Cause I'ma turn around and cite play fair. I see why he try warn me. Yelling out play fair, he go too hypey. I'm with the pose it back, try and grasp. That mean Eashan going to lab, get it? Got calculator on my pillow, graphing points. Yeah, I got JHU back, and it's breaking limits. Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph? Please tell me why is that the graph?
Why the graph?
Please tell me why is that the graph?
Hey, did that help you understand the lab stuff?
Not really, man. Like, I know there's a lot of hard work, but I'm still not getting this.
I think I know what might help you out. Here's a YouTube video.
The first step to making a good graph is to ensure that your graph is properly proportioned and doesn't have too much excess white space. Square graphs are usually easier to read than rectangular ones. Make sure your graph has grid lines so the viewer can easily see the points that you are plotting. The title you put on your graph is extremely important. It should be detailed. Here we have a graph of the concentration of iron 2 at varying DHF initial concentrations over time. If you are making the graph in Excel, use a font that is easily readable in a large size. The recommended sizes are usually around 16 to 20 point font. Next, label your axes. Don't forget to make sure that it is at properly spaced increments. Put the units as well. Next, plot your points. If you have 2 or more different sets of data you need to show, use different colors. Blue and orange are good colors to use because they have high visibility. Red and green, for example, are not good to use because many people are red-green colorblind. Also, don't forget to show your reader what each of these colors represents. Put the color along with what it stands for in the legend, which is usually right next to the graph where it can easily be seen. For extra visibility, try using different variations of lines. For example, you can make the orange line dashed and the blue line solid. Be sure to add the trend line and the corresponding slope if it is appropriate for the set of data. Label these accordingly. Lastly, don't forget to double-check your data and make sure it is correct. Don't leave out your scientific notation. As you can see, the graph on the left is a very poor graph compared to the graph on the right that we made earlier. The graph on the left has a very vague title and no axes labels, so the viewer has no idea what the graph even represents. It provides virtually no information.
You get it?
I get it.
You get it!
Yes, we get it!